What's up, guys? It's been a while. I know I haven't posted much content lately. I've been busy. I've been on vacation. I've been out of town. I had some issues with my truck. The starter went out, so I had to replace it. I thought it was a battery. I was chasing parts for a while, but I finally got it fixed. I am out at a creek, and it looks completely, it looks really, really dry. I know there's some pockets, and I know if I go further down, there is water that goes into it. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get on some large ones. I know it's been a while since I posted. I think the last video that I did post, it was awesome. I caught some giants. So I'm hoping to replicate that today. Today, all I have is my hooks, my pliers, a couple of senkos, a handful of craw. I did find actually in my garage when I was actually cleaning stuff out. It's another reason I've been real busy. I found some yum dingers with the yellow chartreuse tail. So I'm gonna give those a shot. If I can find water, and let's see how far I can go down, and let's see if I can't get on some large ones. It's hot. It's about 100 degrees right now, and the sun's going down. I've got probably about another hour, and that's about it. So I got water, and hopefully, like I said, we'll get on some largies and see if we can't hook a big one. See you on the water. Wow, so you can see this water was a lot higher a couple months ago. This all was probably about a good 4 or 5 feet, and now it's super, super low. Ooh, I don't know if you saw that. I just got one. I'm wondering where all these bass are. And wow, he's hiding underneath the tree. That's actually not a bad one. Oh well, there he is right there. I don't know if you can see him. He jumped right off. There he goes, back underneath those weeds, or back underneath that bush. There's a school of bass right there. He came up and got it. Tore off one of my pinchers. I'm right in the mud. It's not bad, not what we're after, but yeah, this little bit of water. The one that I snagged, or that bit earlier, he was a lot bigger than this, probably about twice the size. But something pulling on my head with these rocks, but I hope he doesn't break me off. I don't know what it is, but it's gotta be a bass. Oh, he's got me wrapped up. I really don't want to hop down there. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he came loose. Well, I was really lucky on that one. There you go. Still not what we're after, but I guess he was sitting right there by the weeds. All right, here's another section. I do see a bass swimming right there by that rock. I was throwing it towards him, but another one came out and got it. It wasn't meant for you, guy. Wow, that's actually a good sized fish for about a foot of water.
Wow. You can tell he used to be bigger. But that, he is long. Look at that. He's a good sized fish. I mean, for this, he was literally right there. Right behind that rock. Okay, big guy. Yeah, look how skinny he is. They're probably starving back here. All right, crystal clear water, go ahead. There he goes, there he goes. Look, there goes another one. And they're all sitting right here. They're just sitting right here by these rocks in the shade. I kind of feel bad for them, you know, because they don't, because they've got nowhere to go. I mean, literally, they're just sitting right here. It doesn't get much better down there. There you go, little guy. There's one just waiting over there. Oh, he bit it. He took it. I don't know if he was asleep or what. Now he's running with it. There he is. Look, here comes another bass being nosy. You had your chance to bite. And you didn't want to. Oh, there you go. He was just sitting over there by that rock. Not bad. Not bad at all. There's another one right here. He decided to bite, and now he's taking off over there. Let's see if I can get him. He was alongside me for the longest time. Stay up, 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 stay up. Wow, he's bigger than I thought. He has like a big old head. Look at that. Look at that mouth. She's pretty. She was just staring at me and staring at me because I caught the other. Look, there goes another one right there. You see it? And there's another one right there. They're probably all wondering what happened to their buddy. All right, let's get their big brother back in the water. You okay? Oh yeah. Oh, you're biting on me. Come on. You're all right. Go ahead. There she goes. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Messed up my craw though. Well, she wanted to come up and say hi. That's all it was. That's all right. Don't want to make too many movements. Oh, there he goes. He took it. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Wow, that's a nice sized bass for that little bitty water. Look at that. Wow. It's a nice sized little bass for, he's about a pound, but he came out of that puddle. So that's pretty awesome. I don't know what else is in there, but man, he chomped it and he took off. There you go. There he goes. Not big. roughly the size of my hand. I'm using the crawl because it's got action on it. Oh, there's two chasing it. Oh, I think he has it. There it is. It's a little guy. Little bass, not even a pound. Thanks for playing. Oh, something bit it. Can't see him. I don't know if he's big or not. Little guy. Take it easy. I was just trying to retrieve it from catching it in the tree over there. He wanted to come up and say hi. There you go, finally. Definitely not what we're after, but we'll take it. Little guy. Caught another one, but still not the size we're after. Getting a lot of bites, but it's just these tiny little bass. Not even a pound. Caught another one. He's little though. He's chunky. Not what we're after, but better than the other ones. I switched over to the senko. And there he goes. I got him. He's moving with it. He's moving with it. I can't see him. He's bigger than I thought. Man, I can't get down there. And he's a big, he looked little from up here. That's a nice sized bass. Man, I feel so bad that they're just sitting here. Another week or so, this whole place will be dry. God, and it's so hard to get back here. Wish I could do a rescue mission, man, but I'm sorry, guy. Man, that's a beautiful fish. He's got, had to be about 3.5, at least 3. Look how long he is. My forearm. Longer than my forearm. It's so shallow, I don't want him to hit the bottom. There he goes. He's swimming away. There's one, there's one. The big one. There's a big one right next to him. Look at that. You see them? They're all coming out. They're all wondering what's going on. Man, if only I had another pole. Yeah, that's some big ones. Of course, I had to get the tiniest one out of the bunch. Yeah, look at that. Not bad, not bad. But man, as soon as I caught him, there was some big ones came around. There you go, come on. Go ahead, you free. Caught another one. Man, he is fighting. Oh man, he's big. Bigger than the last one. Oh man. Get up here. Man. That's a nice one. Look at that mouth. That's a nice little chunk. Just threw it back there in them weeds, over underneath that brush. And he came out and he hammered it. Wish I would have caught that on video, but man, that's a good sized fish. This little bitty water. Let's get him back. You ready to go, buddy? You ready to go, buddy? Alright, there you go. There he goes. I don't know if you can see him. It's right there.
Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. It was pretty good. It felt great to be back out on the water. It's been a while. Like I said, I've been super busy with just being on vacation, going out of town, and picking up a car, and just doing car things. And then my truck broke down, and just so much stuff going on right now that I just really didn't have time to get out there, which is pretty odd, because I'm usually always out there. So for those of you who follow me on Facebook, you know, I haven't posted in a while, but I went bank fishing, I want to say a couple of days ago. I didn't take the GoPro. I wasn't gonna film or anything, but I just caught a bunch of dinks, a bunch of small ones. But anyway, about where I was at today, it was great fishing. Even though it was triple digits, I was out there for about an hour and a half. I walked really far. I caught a lot of fish. Some of them I didn't get on camera. A bunch of dinks, but definitely some fish that were good. That were of size. Biggest had to be in the 4 range. If this was closer to November, I guarantee you those fish would be really fat. They'd definitely be 5-pounders and so forth, but it wasn't as good as the last. Well, I don't know, maybe it was. The last video was great. This video again was awesome too. The content, the quality of fish were there. I just wish they were a little bit more chunkier. Unfortunate, like I said, the water was super low. It wasn't like I thought it was gonna be. But again, we haven't had a good rain in a while, so I will. I think the next step is definitely to go to Walmart and pick up another setup. So I might be going to Bass Pro also. Today what was working was a Senko. That chartreuse was fire. The craw, I mean, everything I was throwing at them, they were starving. They were just hitting non-stop. Like I said, the fishing's so good, triple digits or not, man. If you get out there, you're throwing the right things, you know what to look for, you'll definitely catch them. So stay tuned. Like I said, hopefully channel's only gonna get better, and like I said, I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.